Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is something quite intriguing. Can surgeons actually patent surgical procedures they develop? Let's unpack the legal landscape and ethical considerations surrounding this issue. The legality of patenting surgical procedures. In the United States, the legality of patenting surgical procedures is a nuanced issue. On the one hand, surgical procedures can be classified as a type of process, potentially qualifying them for patent protection under intellectual property law. This aligns with the general patent framework that safeguards novel, non-obvious, and useful inventions. However, there's a crucial limitation. Even if a surgeon secures a patent on their innovative procedure, it cannot prevent other qualified doctors from using it to treat patients. This makes enforcement against the most likely infringers, other medical practitioners, challenging. Ethical considerations. The medical community often views surgical procedure patents with a critical eye. The core principle of medical ethics emphasizes the importance of knowledge sharing to propel medical progress forward. Patents, by their very nature, can create barriers to this knowledge sharing by granting the inventor exclusive rights to the procedure. This could potentially hinder the dissemination of valuable new techniques and slow down overall medical progress. Consider the invention of insulin. While not a surgical procedure, it exemplifies this concept. Insulin's discovery revolutionized diabetes treatment. In the early 1920s, researchers in Canada discovered insulin's life-saving potential. However, there was initial debate about how to make it available to patients. Thankfully, the researchers prioritized patient access over potential profits and did not pursue exclusive rights. This decision ensured that this life-saving treatment could be mass-produced and become more affordable. Discovery and ethics. One of the key figures in this race was a young Canadian surgeon named Frederick Banting. Driven by the personal tragedy of his friend, a young boy succumbing to diabetes, Banting relentlessly pursued a way to isolate the hormone regulating blood sugar. He partnered with Charles Best, a medical student, to conduct experiments on dogs. Their initial efforts were met with frustration and limited resources. But their dedication paid off. In 1921, they successfully extracted insulin from a dog's pancreas and used it to reverse diabetes in another dog. This breakthrough held immense promise for countless diabetics struggling to survive. A decision that saved lives. However, a crucial question emerged. How would this discovery reach those who needed it most? Banting and Best, motivated by the urgency of saving lives, made a remarkable decision. They refused to patent insulin, ensuring it could be mass-produced and affordable for all. This decision contrasted with the prevailing practices of the time, where researchers often sought to profit from their discoveries. The discovery of insulin is a powerful example of how medical ethics can influence scientific progress. By prioritizing patient access over potential personal gains, Banting and Best ensured this life-saving treatment reached millions worldwide. The story of insulin serves as a reminder of the tension between patenting and medical ethics. While patents can incentivize innovation, they can also restrict access to essential treatments. The decision of whether or not to patent a surgical procedure should carefully consider these ethical implications. While the scenario with insulin is a beacon of prioritizing patient access, there are instances where patents on medical discoveries have restricted affordability. One such example is the case of Sofiane Hadjadj, a French citizen diagnosed with a rare genetic disorder called Gaucher disease. Gaucher disease disrupts the body's ability to break down certain fats, leading to a buildup of fatty substances in organs. Thankfully, a medication called imaglucerase exists to manage the condition. However, the high cost of imaglucerase, a patented drug, became a significant hurdle for Hadjadj. The patent on imaglucerase granted the manufacturer exclusive rights to produce and sell the drug, allowing them to set high prices. This placed a tremendous strain on Hadjadj's finances, highlighting the potential drawbacks of patents on essential medications. Strategic reasons for patenting. Despite these limitations, some surgeons still choose to pursue patents for their groundbreaking procedures. There can be a few strategic reasons behind this decision. One potential benefit is the recognition associated with being the inventor of a novel technique. A patent serves as a public record of the surgeon's innovation and can elevate their standing within the medical field. Another reason for patenting a surgical procedure might be to protect intellectual property related to the procedure itself. This could be relevant if the procedure involves the use of a specific medical device that the surgeon has also invented or significantly modified. In such a scenario, the patent on the procedure could strengthen the protection for the associated medical device. While technically possible, patenting a first-performed surgical procedure comes with limitations and ethical considerations. The surgeon may not be able to prevent other qualified practitioners from using the procedure, and the medical community may view it as a hindrance to knowledge sharing. However, potential benefits like recognition for innovation or protection for related medical devices can still make patenting a strategic option for some surgeons. The balancing act: innovation versus affordability. The tension between encouraging innovation through patents and ensuring patient access to affordable treatments is a complex issue. Patents undeniably play a role in driving research and development in the medical field. Pharmaceutical companies rely on the revenue generated by patents to recoup their investments in research and development, incentivizing them to pursue new treatments. However, when patents result in excessively high drug prices, they can create barriers to patient access. This can have life or death consequences, as in the case of Gaucher disease and countless other illnesses. The importance of ethical considerations. The invention of insulin and the story of Sofiane Hajjaj illustrate the importance of ethical considerations surrounding patents in medicine. While patents can be a necessary tool to foster innovation, they should not come at the expense of patient affordability. Finding a balanced approach that ensures both continued medical advancements and equitable access to treatments remains a critical challenge. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments below what other topics you'd be interested in learning more about.